guys, today we're going to teach you how to make this super cute tissue paper confetti band as a neat way to dress up your holiday gifts with a little bit of help from our friends at Talbot's. Here's what you'll need: wrapping paper, a gift box, tissue paper confetti, double-sided tape, regular tape, and scissors. We're going to start by using double-sided tape and attaching it to our gift. It's going to be about 3 bands across, and I like to offset it to the side. And all we have to do is wrap this gift in double-sided tape. You can use different materials. You could use glitter if you wanted. I have to tell you, it's a little bit messy. You can use sequins, flat, or maybe a holiday shape like a snowflake. And there we go, about 3 times around the gift. And now all we have to do is take this tissue paper confetti and just tap it into place. This you can purchase, you don't have to make it yourself, but if you want a custom design of confetti, you can use paper cutters, and you just place the confetti or the tissue paper between 2 sheets of computer paper, and it'll make a cleaner cut for you. So all we have to do is tap these on. And I alternate the colors just a bit, and it makes a really pretty, fun design. It doesn't take a lot of time or a lot of extra effort, but it's just a really amazing way to show someone that you care this Christmas. Just a few more. And I am going to go all the way around. And there you have it, a super cute way to dress up your holiday gifts that'll make people feel really special this holiday season. So from all of us at American Greetings and our friends at Talbot's, happy holidays and happy wrapping.